Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel your Clarity Check subscription. First, open your web browser. Once the browser is open, click on the address bar at the top. Type in the words Clarity Check Cancel Subscription and press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, look at the first link that appears on the page. Click on that link to continue. This link will take you to the official Clarity Check page related to subscription management. On this page, look for an option called the Cancellation Hub. This option is usually easy to spot and is clearly labeled. Click on the Cancellation Hub to move to the next step. Now you will be asked to log in to your Clarity Check account. Enter the email address and password that you used when you signed up. Once you are logged in, you will see details about your active subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. After you complete the cancellation process, your subscription will be marked as canceled. Keep in mind that even after canceling, you will still be able to use your subscription for the time you have already paid for. Your access will end only after the current billing period is over. If you need any help or have questions during this process, you can contact the Clarity Check support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.